Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're going to show you how to reset your Panasonic TV, both with and without a remote. Whether you're troubleshooting issues or preparing to sell or give away your TV, resetting can often solve common problems and restore your TV to its factory settings. Let's get started. Step 1. Using the remote. If you have the remote handy, resetting your Panasonic TV is straightforward. Press the menu button. Locate the menu button on your remote control. Navigate to Setup. Use the arrow keys to navigate to the Setup or Settings option. Access System menu. In the Setup menu, find and select System or Reset. Initiate Reset, choose Factory Reset or Reset option. Confirm if prompted. Wait for reset. Your TV will begin resetting. This may take a few minutes. Restart TV. Once reset, your TV will restart automatically. Follow on-screen prompts to set up again if necessary. Step 2. Without the remote. Don't worry if you've misplaced your remote. You can still reset your Panasonic TV using the buttons on the TV itself. Locate Control Panel on your Panasonic TV, find the Control Panel. It's usually located on the side or bottom of the TV. Press Power button, press and hold the power button on the TV for about 10 seconds. This action will force the TV to power off. Unplug TV. After the TV is powered off, unplug it from the power outlet. Wait for a few minutes. Let the TV sit unplugged for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Plug TV back in. Plug the TV back into the power outlet. Power on TV. Press the power button again on the TV to turn it back on. The TV should now be reset to its factory settings. Conclusion. There you have it. Resetting your Panasonic TV is a quick and effective way to resolve various issues or prepare it for a new setup, whether you have the remote or not. These steps will help you get your TV back to its original state. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.